Alright, today I brought back out the, well, I don't know what I called it. It's one of my scratch builds, my designs. It's pretty good at aerobatics, and then we got the $18 eBay one. And the Jet 2 is still in the car. We'll get it out after we fly these two. Alright. I haven't flown this one in a very long time. This one you can build, oh, flaps are down. This one you can build off my channel. I have a complete build video for this airplane. This one flies really good. It's a 2-cell 2200 kV motor. I mean, yeah, 2-cell battery. 2200 kV motor, 30 amp ESC, and this is the one I built out of one piece of foam board. And it really twists and turns good. One of my better designs. And it's got some power.
Time remaining 4 minutes.
And it's capable of, well, just about whatever you can do with an airplane.
Timer stop.
You can fly it pretty slow.
Timer start.
Not bad for one piece of foam board.
Time remaining 3 minutes.
A really cheap setup. You can get the ESC motor and battery, all of those three, probably about 40 bucks. All off eBay, all from China. Servos are 9-gram El Cheapos from eBay as well.
Timer stop. Timer start. Time remaining 2 minutes.
Very capable airplane. All right, that's enough warming up.
Time remaining 1 minute. Timer stop. Timer stop. Timer stop. Timer start. Timer stop.
Haven't really come up with a name for it. I think I call it the take two on the build video. So, yeah, if you got any ideas, let me know. And yep, you can build this out of one sheet of foam board.